oil for 2 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare for the batter. I have taken a bowl. Now add maida and 2 teaspoons of ghee. Mix it. Now I am adding Eno powder. For instant fermentation, I am adding Eno powder, 1 pack. Now add little bit of water and mix it well without any lumps. And little bit of water. The batter should be thin, not so thick. Mix it like this for about 2 minutes because we have added Eno powder. Should be like this. Okay, now let's check the syrup. Now I am adding cardamom powder. Our syrup is ready. Now switch off the stove and keep it aside. Now take a pan and heat up the oil for frying. Sufficient oil for fry. Let it heat. For making jalebis, I have taken a cover like this, stick cover like this. If you want, you can take any cover you need or cloth. Take a glass. Pour the batter in cover. I have packed with rubber like this. Now I am making a small hole on the edge. Okay. Oil get heated. Now let's make jalebis. The oil should be very hot. Keep it in medium flame. On other side. It's turned crispy. Now take it out and add immediately into the syrup. Dip like this for 2 seconds. And take it out. I am going to add another jalebis. watching.